Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the brand new video on Technovlogs. In this video I'm going to show you the best entry level PC build under 25,000 Indian rupees. It sounds an entry level, but the performance that we are getting from this build is an outstanding performance. So with this build you can easily play the heavy games at medium graphic settings to achieve a good frame rate. So this build is mainly useful for the content creation and the gaming purposes. So if you are using a Premiere Pro, 1080p editing will be recommended, because if you are using a 4K footage editing, so there will be slightly lag in the timeline. For this build we are using this Ryzen 3 3200G processor that comes with APU. What is APU? An APU means a combination of CPU and GPU. So you don't need a dedicated graphic card for this build, so it comes with 2GB Vega L graphics inside it. For this build we are using this Corsair Vengeance DDR4 2400MHz RAM for this build. So if you want to go with 3000MHz RAM, there will be slightly increase in the performance because Ryzen CPUs need more amount of RAM to run smoothly because it comes with APU. For this build we are using this Gigabyte B450M DS3H motherboard. And it delivers an outstanding performance, and it is ultra durable because of Gigabyte standards. Coming to the power supply, we are using this Cooler Master 450 watts power supply. So, and for the cabinet we are using this Cooler Master 310C cabinet. So there will be a combo of this 450 watts power supply and those cabinet for around 5,000 Indian rupees. Coming to the storage devices, I am using Kingston 240GB SSD for this build because gaming PC needs an SSD to run smoothly. All the product links will be provided in the description below. Do check out it, and all are those Amazon affiliate links. So I personally prefer you to buy in offline stores because the rate will be less. So if you are buying an online, your budget will be increased from 25,000 rupees to 27,000 rupees, because I am showing the prices of offline. So if you are living in places where an offline store is not present, so you can easily buy those things with online stores. So I generally prefer you to buy in offline stores. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the build.